proud that Cathie Miller is being awarded for her work as a preceptor in the WHNP specialty. I was honored to spend the last year working with Cathie in my outpatient women's health clinicals, and I wanted to share a little bit of what I wrote in her nomination for this award. I shared that if you're lucky in your clinical rotations, you're assigned to a preceptor that is knowledgeable and passionate and imparts priceless experience and guidance in your path to becoming an APRN. And my experience with Cathie went above and beyond those expectations. Her practice is this really inspirational full circle where almost every week we would have these multi-generational patient visits where Cathie would have served as a midwife in this patient's birth, and now this patient is an adult presenting for their pregnancy or GYN care. The deep, unique, and authentic care and energy that she brought into each patient's visit really created this patient population that looked to her with trust, with love, and this certainty that they were safe in her care. She would remember these specific details about patients and their families, and sometimes she hadn't seen them in years, and patients really felt that dedication in every interaction. In terms of preceptorship, Cathie was so skilled at assessing where I was at in my knowledge and practice base, and built this perfect balance of leading in visits where I needed more experience and stepping back when it was clear that I had the knowledge base and confidence to be able to create a really great experience for our patient. She went above and beyond in scheduling appointments on days that she knew I was going to be there and appointments that she wanted me to be part of, and I truly grew to feel like a valuable member of the team. Cathie's been serving the Connecticut community for over 30 years, and there is no one else I can imagine that deserves to be recognized for the incredible provider and preceptor that she is. Really, Cathie is the provider that I strive to be, and I will be forever grateful that I was able to spend this time with her learning and growing into the best APRN that I can be. And Cathie, I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything that you have given me. I miss you, and I just really cannot express to you how much I will be taking this experience and using it for the rest of my career. And the kind of APRN that I'm going to be is the kind of APRN that you have shown me is possible. And I just am so grateful, and thank you.
Hi, this video is to congratulate Certified Nurse Midwife Cathie Miller on being nominated Preceptor of the Year Award. I am so grateful for the commitment that she makes to our midwifery students. The student this year highlighted her passion for patient care and really talked about how Cathie took the time to focus on what this learner's needs might be, taking the lead when the student needed a little more support, and also giving her space so that she could practice her independence. And she also referenced the amount of time that Cathie has served the community of women in Connecticut. And I wanted to also just thank Cathie myself when I was not a midwife yet, but aspiring to be, and she opened her practice to me to shadow as a learner before I was even a midwifery student, so that I could spend time seeing what is it like to be a midwife day to day and learn how to do fundal heights and how to be with people and talk with pregnant people. And it was just a wonderful experience and gave me the fire that I needed to make it to where I am today in my career. So I also, along with our students, would like to thank Cathie Miller for being an awesome midwife and an awesome preceptor. Thank you.